Hello everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How na dey? So na dey fine. How na dey, my people? So na dey fine. Hey, I greet you everybody. Help me to share this video, my people. Something dey happen for this life. Oh, good evening, Saga Wahala. You dey? You get one video, maybe most of una don't still see this video. I don't well. Name your way. Is a gbe wazeme itota. Is a gbezeme itota, my people. Good evening, everybody. Let me share this video. You get one video where I see just now. Because I don't even know say the person who they do video. Okay? I don't even know say the person they do video more than no verse. I just know say when you see something, go be like say it weak you. I just weak. Yes. Saga Wahala, yes. I just weak. I just watch the video just now. I just weak. So you don't see the video. I don't first see the video. What it happen? Person tell me about the name, because I dey tell now say not be everything I dey see for social media. I get other thing. The lady. I get other thing where I dey do for social media. Now I say okay. I say I don't finish. Me I go look the name. I say I reach there. Now I come she there for video. You are right. Purity. Now that they call her. Now I come listen to the video. Because where I just enter, you understand? Because if I there for, if I see there for live video, if I don't know what they happen for there, I don't like make I just they watch, because I don't know what they go on. So I where me just enter, where I see the video, where I come meet her. Now the time where he call his husband, because that is he married to Italian man and he get daughter. I see the video just now. Now they talk. So I see the video just now. The thing just weak me. Because I said just they look and I say, okay, me I bring her. Me I tell her now depression is real. She needs help for real. Because I listening to when me just meet her, where she did talk for that video. Now where she for call her husband. Because when I enter, you know, say when you enter life, now where you meet, now you go start to the listing. So I can't listen to they talk to the man, say now 18 years they don't date together, you know. You can't talk to a husband about why you carry car come out, you know, something like that. I can't listen. Something they happen. So now I can say I know just wait, me I start from there. I go later, me I go see the video where, because they cook that time. So when I finish, now I go look that video, because the video long well. Okay? This thing, no, since I not feel the thing just weak me. And the lady, a very beautiful woman. Oh. It's hello, boy. Hey, something they happen for inside life. Now beautiful woman. What it happen? Nobody know whether you get brother for you, you get sister. Oh. Nobody know. Una know one thing for this life. Una know say, oh, I don't know what I want just talk. I don't know. You know, say to stay with Oyibo for many years, it's not easy. They get their own problem, and you also you can still get your own. If you're not strong enough, because she talk about the mother of that is the mother-in-law. You talk about her. Where? Hey. Jesus, she needs help. She even the talk say because she don't tell where she be one come out. They say she not come out. You know, Hey, Salobua. Even when I can't look where be say can't they cry for the video because I can't go check the video. You get one very short part for the video and be like saying 7 minutes for the video because when they check they go now I can't say I never know say the person like this they do video because if person not even tell me the name because I tell that person say I'll go look a video, you know. So when I go there now see say you get one video where I do for 7 minutes. You can't because music there for the background. So the daughter can't call the daughter, make can't give her water. Oh Jesus. You can't they cry for the video, no? You just they cry. So the daughter can't tell and say, may he offer. Say don't do. Something they happen for inside this life. I'll they play a small phone now, my people. The thing just it weak me for real. She needs help. This one and the lady. You don't even talk the name. So. My beautiful lady. I'm beautiful lady.
That's why people get me. Now, do Nigeria get me? UK too, they get me. The good ones, Italian good ones, they get me. Hey. Street people, they good ones see the streets.
She needs help.
My dead mother, Isha, my dead mother went on forsake all children for my sake.
I say she be Isha, okay?
They don't forsake the rest of the children in arrival for my sake. Wow, Mickey. So any of now when you want, now make it head. One I call the confess, the see one do me for back.
It's a low boy.
One I call the confess, the see one do me for back. I will confess. When they black you are like this when I say na time of asking for forgiveness. So yeah, but I go ask for my forgiveness before I start to ask for that. People will don't get forgiveness. Yeah, forgive woman. I rather die like a lion than die like rats.
Oh, wow.
Excuse me.
Oh, wow. Hey, this marriage of 18, not be do or die. If you are not okay there, if you're not there okay, you are free to go. You are free to go. Maybe this one is my opinion, okay? Maybe the husband don't. Maybe she want, maybe she come up for the marriage. But I said because as they say they speak the language. But I said they be Napoli side, okay? Because they know say Napoli that they speak their Italian language. You get accepted they be. But I say na Napoli side the man they. Okay, now they or na the language and all because this Italian language that they speak Rome, if they speak if person where they Rome they speak yo. It get the way we still be for the other side where Milano side goes they speak is aluga very well. Maybe she want come up for the marriage. Oh. The man go they threaten her. It's still there like that. Oh. It's still there. It's still there. But I don't know. This one are just my own. You know, say not be everybody get that mind. Not be everybody get that we go say, okay, cannot they go, you know. Some people they are very they're very fragile. You understand? They're very anything where be said the man go just talk, now go they do, you know, something like that. Thing go can't get to this stage. And I know see maybe that her daughter go be like 15 years, something like that, or 16. I don't know. Yeah. Good evening, Amaka. Good evening. I don't know. But hi Jesus. More than no verse. Now because of say I watched there just now, the thing still weak me down. Still weak me down. And she said she not be like this before. Okay? He said not be so she be before. What don't I don't know as she be before, you know. Wala dey.
no marry. Or you back. Benny Kiko, the bad is sexy. Better be careful.
Eja.
I tell you, that better be careful. It took a boy, a daughter, a young you boy, you don't get ready. Why was you did you home, man? If I could never walk by it with a little one that did, I want to go. How do you fool? Imagine us to know, or we ain't yet. What's soon you do it? Get it out, or it's better of your neck. Or be and make it noise.
Share the video, my people. Oh, I bet I'll make baby no Fiona. Meaning maybe it get at this
That's why you ever value.
near Sini.
Yeah, what are you? Oh, value. Yeah, there's a broker. Yeah, we see I even. Yeah, we are very. Yeah, we get where you're better than you will not be here for no way.
Eja.
Why we often do it? I don't do that. So that mommy at no work going and my way by asset to it.
Eja.
Why we no offend you, why we no offend you. I mean, we're often. Man, he is celebrating a boy baby no cockbed. A permit to Latin.
And it's even the fake account.
Anywhere I tap for grace, I tap for grace. You're making a grace.
Eja.
You're making a grace. I want more, you know what?
Now, wow, so many people will be say then they for fake account where you be say you not go talk to them, then go come they fire you. You understand? You not see say na depression. Not see say na depression. You not go even talk to them. Maybe you just leave your comments for somebody, they'll follow you. Or maybe you the way you say talk to person where be say then they like, they not like they'll follow you, they'll come meet you for inside inbox, come they insult you. Hey. Emi work bon something there for inside this life. I pity her anyway. You understand? Because no matter waiting, when I just watch the video, I was like, oh my God. No matter say I don't know as she be before, whether I fat past this one or no. But she talk and say, no be so she fair be. Hey Jesus. Emi sunu. She need help. Well, she need help.
And they say, woman, come and contact say.
No one lady where I see a video.
But when I reach your place, the same thing we did that first.
Oh, this lady.
I tell her, say, never be like say human being who did the house. Yeah, I did noise. If you don't like noise, I better not near me. I don't feel let loneliness kill me for this year. But I'm a wow. Loneliness on here, but I live with mama. You can anyway avoid the depression. The country no be with depression.
Depression not good though. Some people.
Depressed people.
See why?
Depressed elements.
I just pity her for it. I don't know whether I get brothers here, sisters. Depression. Hey, Jesus. Oh. Now, my people, not be small thing, eh? Because you say many people, Be like say people go there insult am for a video.
Deri o me ga aji.
See.
Ebu agi. Deri o me ga anene. Ebu asake me for 18 years.
No. Now something happen.
Don't sleep for the mad people.
Hey, Jesus.
Real mad people don't sleep. So, when all that gang of bully me where we get depressed, with makeup, I will tell you.
I pray may they not go bully, okay? I pray may they not go bully. You know, say this life, some people they wait really they pass through something where be say you they okay. You know say you they okay. They not they okay. They need help. Because it's like maybe as they do this video, then they bully and you know say our people now so they be. Now then ya we cannot hear mani ya oni na more and so then they do. Instead of to try to like they follow and they laugh. Now what she needs? I so much believe say now what she need be that one. To follow and they laugh, to follow and you know if you go there, oh you are beautiful, you are this, try to see daughter, something like that. Not the insult and say this your depression, don't the worst, so this one, that one, because you know they give her happiness. She don't already dead down. Why you want go do the worst?
Then you go tell me which normal woman go make up, plaster your face, use plaster, they cover depression. With big eyelashes, went for year long this year, with lipstick will be like what you want to bite human being flesh. You go sleep like that. And you want to tell me say you not dey depressed. We know ourselves now.
You will.
You know me tell your friend tell me say you dey sleep with the makeup. You when not dey depressed, so you dey sleep with makeup. Me when they depressed, I don't dey sleep with makeup. You know why it's worse. Apostle, you have anyway. Yeah, man, need beg apostle me now.
I don't know where they talk.
Apostle Sonny, you have anywhere with you. Man, need beg anything apostle. I don't want to say for
maybe people where they comment.
Oh, I bet more than sister.
Hey.
Iru wa emu mi ari e Nigeria say ya ko wa gbe mu ajeba idi mi bi aje mi yan we o ma wi my ma e control go wi buji na abi ne ko mu wa ta ni we e ma na ira wa na ta ni we no ro wa no ya kwa ge wa ni wa bi bonke
when no ya who that means may go do juju na she dey talk so peace alobuwa we baba mi something dey happen for inside life and say no get mama again.
Ya iseba etima o ha be gbe mu ayewa etima di re na podi yen ke e na podi na ti ma Nigeria gba gba wa re ba ye ka me bo we ma gba wa ne ya bring the money wa me mo gbe no ya sa.
Hey!
Why you need to not beg go now, Rebecca?
And people where they Napoli people make they fear them. I they fear Napoli people. Say you come for them. Or you all those no any age. Even the way she tell the so less so there. Your husband is like I know say oh not depressed. No say somebody way depressed. Sometimes something where even they talk come out. So now true, It's just that we go they use that eye till they look and say if they do like something, it not come be like not normal again. But something there inside where they go they talk, you know the thing say not na lie. But something go there inside where be truth. Are you pity for her? I don't know whether people there here, whether you get family for Italy for them.
My throat don't block. I don't eat. I don't sleep. They don't want me to wash when they fly daytime and afternoon.
Hey.
If they sleep, because I say me I sleep and smoke. I see myself say I they fly they go. People people will fool war, fight, go for everywhere. No get to run, go. Now, so just
wake up.
my hand and I reply. But he said, I've been asleep at the color.
Easy.
Now, that kind of thing, you see this fight when they come black, Oibo, EPO, social. You get with your mouth.
All of them go there for inside brain.
And people, when their head not too correct now, like me,
Deja.
I ain't going to understand that.
Deja.
Oibo get, Oibo they see.
Wow, my people, eh?
E Diana Mahune. I got no so la dian. I got ni ana interview. One gba ni interview. Imagine the me ya girl ni. E queen no anything. E queen me wa be kin we. E dey argument.
Deja.
Everybody na queen for their own kingdom. And my kingdom me still dey now. Obi da give them. Is the interview. Imoto or Ibila or history. Many people with Diana met. I'm engaging Yari. It will all give over making a thing. One man has been a man. You're going to make a thing. One man, you know, see no Salobana when. Or is a selective man, I watch you boy, you women, I watch him in a time where no one waiting won't die. What's here? Ni meme wa mi. Dete me area e me wa je wala wa gumi ame but wa gumi put on weight.
Deja.
Wa gumi put on weight.
Hey. Hey, wait, something they happen.
Dete be marriage. Ngwa ni bunji. Meji ni awo. Doctor no na e wickedness e ya wa mudami. Wickedness e ya mudami. No, okay, ne mana mama na gbe wa. She's coming back after us. Abele so ni ma we ni ma fi we ma miamia na again na ma miamia eh. Or that's why say I feel where they ma be me no la jam no mi wa we no. Me I investigate. Do one anything wow get there where I not be careful say any na say any yago. When are ready to celebrate me. Yeah, wow. Wow, celebrate any bill. As soon as they celebrate they follow everywhere and I say you wow we are celebrating.
I be get waiting they go on for inside the no say those people wey be say then they for Napoli. If your boy me normal danger, I be husband. He get waiting na so me they talk man. This one na my opinion, okay? I be get waiting put hand where she know. You understand? Hey, he go say maybe you want go tell you know say all this oyibo eh. Ya ma value life in ya ma wago ma be ya value. Not be all of them. Some of them. You go say maybe you want go open mouth. You go suffer because they give us some medicine before you know what do I no a brain all the feel with here because not be so if be then before problem you go come they join now. You go come they do like person where be say he head not correct. They'll know the way they take they do for you. They'll start to they give the medicine. Well, why I want to just they take all your brain go down because the way we take the sole, mama that is mondailo. In husband, there is something where be I don't know. I just they talk my own. I don't know my people. Eh? In my day. Say don't tell where she they talk. Who know whether you get it, whether you get brothers or sisters for abroad? Eh? Everybody knows say abroad. If you get your brother self, it's Sonia as a young eye.
Why they okay? Or we need to know.
Wait.
You might power say like now. Should the case here and here one. When I don't know how many videos when I don't share for Facebook, maybe say live. And then you pay what we need to go. Here they go, here they cover. No one making now double member one. It's a lot about myself. When I go rewatch my video. When I go rewatch them from the beginning. When you are living as Zemela or why? I mean, they go salon, I'm going to go pay for, let's see. I want to do my more head. She said she never want one because since I don't take appointments, I don't want to pay the money. I don't want to carry a car. Because if I just stay like this, if I did this kind of condition, my spirit will just tell me, say, come. If you want just day free, just day useful man. Now I make most of them when be taxed, they see me. Hey, they can make a war.
Now should be this. I don't know whether I get brother or sister for you.
So now, when they see and say I do the talk for this thing, but to take a headache. Once I'm online like this. Iwe como me amami oya we npo iri enpo jeun re every oguro iri because yan wo me egbe ne.
Yeah, she need help.
Yan wo me egbe ne. I took them unaware. Yan ma bele everybody. Unaware. Yan na we do le ga eni yan. Yan ri ga emi ko wa ma emi mi wa gbiki. Aware ni no ma me. Me mwene ke Nigeria ria. Bi me je we bo me mwene le legbe a. Wa gi kun depression yo mu ne wa mu mi are e UK. Marimo.
Wow. She needs help or not be like. Now why people not go they cause her shine.
When if you went to a offend, a demand to ask for forgiveness. A forgiveness in me, a know you what. The forgiveness in me, a know. Because he called you. Say sorry. Now go. Hey, no. Finally, the Almighty. Thank God, say you know, say the Almighty. Almighty be with Peter. Peter, Mopami. Padre, molto, madre, molto, sorella, molto, io sono bastardo. Uccidimi.
Hey. Say no get papa, no get mama, no get brother, no get sister. Jesus is Lord. Something they happen. Something they happen. Something they happen for inside this life. Even the food where even they cook self, it throw away and can't say no they eat again. I pray may they not do one because you know need maybe person go they cause am for them, no need that. I don't know the lady, but you don't need that. You know say all these people they need to talk. We don't know what they pass through for inside house. And they talk all the time. Say some people they will be say inside their house now, fire. As far as say she come out, come they talk. Maybe from there, people can still know her story. Or maybe people where know where it is, where if you know her, you come they talk about her saying, see what they go on. And they, oh, wow. It's not easy, my people. No easy.
They contribute now. They whole Igbo for her till they fight their own sister. They contribute. They contribute.
When you say contribute, more no verse because at the roller.
Now go meet the same man. Say me do driving license for now. Now God go punish. God forgive me. A social. Now me social evil evolve. You never know how many social women go pull their uniform. You just say na children's day. Just there, they write your mom right up for you. You know how many social and continue and want put uniform?
Yeah.
Now my prayer be that if you are Mwese, let you salubwa.
Hey.
You know how many social when go lose work because of me? You know how many Koti go lose work because of me?
Nobody know what to do.
I beg you, I don't want to make this madness cure until I cure their own madness. I want to use my own madness, cure their own madness. When I don't cure their own madness finish, I don't use them to craze finish.
I pray let them
cure
not
my own
do
madness. You see this madness? Mona live.
Make them just leave and make just they do what they do for live video.
The people when they manifest, me I don't cure them finish. I will come to Namona. Come on, this madness from my body because if to say I know if to say I demand ever since, if to say I demand like this, I for don't put them to where they belong ever since. I say I don't demand now. All of them don't declare route for me. If I come, they declare route. I'm mad with my Isha. I'm going to many energy and the family people.
Very beautiful lady.
I go insult those who deserve and they contribute now the whole Igbo for her till they fight their own sister. They contribute. They contribute. I cry, go meet my own black sisters. Me, I come my own, I go meet them, say, how they meet me, this Igbo want kill me. You know what they do? You never reach 3 days, they go meet this Igbo, make them give them driving license, say that they look for driving license, when you go kill them.
Yeah. Hey. It's not easy, oh, my people. You know, say when it comes to something like this, we the black, we this depression of 18. If really make them talk, and this depression of 18, I know say many people they disturb them. Problem they cause them, many things they cause them. Maybe you lost a person where be say your mother or your papa, your brother, or somebody, anybody will be say close near you well. If you not feel acceptance, it they cause to all these things. And maybe inside the marriage now, fire, now is still there. Because according to her now, she run go meet our black, say, Mona, help me. Those people, they not even mind. Because we now, we they look and say, nah, brought for year, now we can't know what to be depression. The time where we did Nigeria, everybody, you'll see some people, you just they work out, they go, you just they talk, they go. You carry slippers for the slippers where they leg, you go put on for your hands, or you go put on for head, they go, they carry, they go. All na depression. You go just they talk, they go. But we go they look and say, okay, this one start so. But for abroad for year, medicine, they where they go, they give you maybe to make all these things made for, you know, understand. Say, I hear where people go bullying this lady later, then go say a lot of people they bully her. I pray may anybody not do it because it not they fair, you understand. Not be say we will see person we know where they'll go they insult and if they live video, you know, if it happen to anybody, nobody be odunga where you can't say no, something like this nothing happen. Depends of your brain, depends of how your brain be, you know. Everybody, if it just happen, say, and this person is strong, rich, so this thing happen to her. Now God, now you go just say, our name was Salombola, you know. Then you'll see person will go there near you. They like to talk many things. They know what they not like not to go there insult them, go they say go inside house, this one, that one. You try to tell them, say, okay, go try to meet doctor, it go help you. Something way sweet, and they like to they hear for inside their brain. She even not say she not there okay. She know when we say she.
Doctor, where the president, doctor, where doctor, a doctor, no man depressed. I said, doctor.
A doctor no depressed. Oh, yeah, doctor. Yeah, but we cook. They're depressed together.
A doctor no man can depress you. I said, doctor, why depressed? You know, I taste it. Depression, Iwa personal doctor mwa. Uma depression do total when you do atalo when I am your man when I when you do atalo ikpa doctor nia. When doctor when depressed
because they need to know what they pass through. It's like the marriage where she did, she not dey okay there. She not dey okay. She not dey okay. She not dey okay. Come on. I don't understand. Wetin cause am wey be say still dey there? Because if you are not okay, or maybe the man they try to tell am say if you come out, that's why I go do this one, that's why I go do the other one. You know, say the thing go dey bear am for his side there. Hey, Salobua. Hey, Salobua. If he still dey, we can cause all this problem. Eh? Before maybe she dey okay, but
you know, time don't you see the go, you freeze account.
Before Nigeria, they'll come to join us. And we are in the Lina.
That's what we need here. We need here. It ain't a heavy. You get the enemy. You are going to get one answer me. Dia mada wa me aguri wa me pe ya vie ya tie igwini de o se ni na pe igwe record ni efu obi o baaji no pe gumegwe oje be emi fuwe wa gule na gi onwe emi sisa ye kwa mpe ahi mama ahi
the clean work. Déjà. Hey!
I'm used to it.
Hey! I greet you.
My prayer. See, when I was seeing my husband, mama, and my husband, they put padlock for their hands. As that my husband, mama, Audrich. If he go do a funeral for his side prison,
now one lady, when they call purity. No purity that they call her.
Give me crown. Yes, job well done. I cannot rest in peace. If I never bring that my mother-in-law to justice, all the evil when you do to my father-in-law, may come pay put.
Really?
You got a river. All threatening to death.
We got a river.
My father-in-law, he started to drink. He started to look for help. Help. Don't say na drunkard.
We don't know what that's true, okay?
Help. Don't say this. Help. My father-in-law come to bed. He and I look at me. I was sick.
Hey.
The day of my father-in-law burial. Now let me want cry. Before that man die, he tell me say, before this fight will call you.
Jesus. And we any kind of when you know so you but they know they cry. You know, they don't be like us. Where you say if they lost somebody, they shout, lose the head, till they not grant. They will not be like that. Not be said they don't feel and bet they know say na so like be today you
just they call on that metalist table at least that one still get posh smoke.
No,
you see at the way you still write down it get
be like say that they tell and say you are mentally stable.
See that mentally stable when you just talk. That's where they come.
She needs help, yeah.
So any black boy carry head face, well, yeah, we're both here. Obalebe Lugwa. Obalebe Lugwa. Yeah, one more zogian, eh? If I lie, yeah, one more zogian. Yeah, what be the corner. You go more. And now, Nanny, ego, if not, as on as wabo, I sweep on that carpet. Mamma. Yadi go no walk by in a way, Yamamole the go where in a way, oh, make it back and take your way up, but where I may give him
Ninja. Tuna the year. No, say. No, say, okay, now, yeah, now, say, because I talk and say, there is something there. Because before you go see Oyibo, sorry. Before you go see Oyibo, when be say go allow you carry a pikin comot, say you want divorce, you want live, it dey hard. You no go live for you. If you be saying that one, I can cause all this problem. Be like saying na only one pikin gets, because I don't know. But I see one daughter for there. The time we tell us me give her water for the video where, because I go to check this thing. Be like saying na only that one now she gets. Okay, somebody like that now, you can't tell and say you no want to stay with the man again, and you want come out. No, so Ibo, unless say now Ibo will be say, now you go leave pikin for you, may you carry go. Rio Ibo, you not go leave her for you, may you carry go. You know the agree. Because when you leave her for there, may you go, then you come to see her. You understand? Or some of them will be say go even leave her for you. Maybe you know now that person will be say no they stay house, but he must make sure say in they see that pikin. You understand? You see, he say tell her say you want come out, say okay no they do again. I want come out for the marriage. The man tell her say the pikin go dey here, problem not dey. But the woman she no want leave her daughter, make she come out. That kind of thing, if it be your brain go come they get as it be, and the marriage you no need that again. As far as say the pikin still dey underage. You know, if you drag on, if we even though say you want even go court, as our condition even be now said, they not will give her. They not give her. They'll say because he need help, she need to stay. They take her medicine, boy. Hi, salo boy, anything Baba God. Something they happen where, eh?
Where to why? Oh, you want to like they would work bin and the one you were commanding metallistic.
Because they're going to write down for them.
No metallistic, no people when no metallistic. Person like me, if I see person no metallistic, but I didn't know. You know why? Because me normally I not they know.
She know say she not they know. So no need for people go there, go there tell her say yeah not correct. She know.
You don't see Chris when guess what? Oh Chris, guess what?
So guess what?
Go. They talk for man, they correct.
Hey.
Hey Chris, guess what? Girl? Never see Chris man. They see person the man, person the Chris. I carry the Chris for three now. They
okay, Lala be the hair can before.
Wow, there.
Yeah. You need to talk to people. Many things.
Anywhere. I'm a lawyer for Areku. Okona. Ijo. Ija women. Oh, when no woo. A coffee over here. A coffee ya with monkey and jiga. My name is if your mother say not like you, leave it picking for leave it picking for even if you love the man, when your mother-in-law say not like you, that one a sign of evil, that one a symbol of say evil smell follows you. The day when you come and they say if even if you love man, if the man no, if the mother-in-law don't like the woman, make you leave her. So my mother-in-law when don't live his life finish. So the husband when God made for me from heaven, because my mother-in-law get bad head, make I leave her. I pray. You see my mother-in-law. If you see my mother, you don't feel best you. They see everybody as a threat to them.
Oh, courage.
Let's set on mother-in-law. So never be mother-in-law. When you see them, the way they'll take up for matter, you will not say that they are food you shall know them. Well, I'm best you, whom your mother-in-law me. And mother-in-law me. A coffee or here. Oh, in fact, I'm not getting a now. A coffee or more iri lawyer.
Maybe you get what the mother-in-law do. Something they happen. Emi sunu wa gbon.
No my good. Yeah, for like the old one, in that coming out here, a garage in a yard. The motor very well. Motor very well. This is one motor. Is Joe, it won't any. Yeah, here when he get away. The man here way before God said this right, they don't put my head.
No, they're not tie and put. You get they're not tie and put for them because according to the one way she talked just now, say don't take where she want come up for them. But the husband not allow her to go. That is say if you go, you go leave the pikin because he get now one pikin be like say he get. Now one pikin. Say if you go, then that pikin you go leave her for them. You know they carry and follow it. You know they carry and go anywhere. Which is normal. All this oyibo, na so then they do. The one where be say go allow you carry they go. You know say you just want me you just carry your wahala with the pikin they go. Because normally those one where be say they not agree. Let it. They no go agree. They go draw you. You know carry any that pikin go anywhere. So because of say that pikin no go fit carry her, and she sit down for them. So I believe say now they cause all this problem where she can't they get and no, you know the relationship not can't get as it be. All these things they make the break on the not on the walk away. They be not tie and put for them now because of say pikin.
I don't know what you tell me. I say, don't carry this car. Don't carry this car. Me, I can't come out and say, I want to use your car. Me come out the car there outside. As I say, me I come out today, the car not take. I know who come and say, don't carry the car. Because he want to make a test. Just say, I go carry that my car. He come out the way and they come. People, I see people squat near my car.
Hey.
People squat near my car. What did I do for near my car?
Voila. Voila. Anything na suspect.
She know when I make her, she see everybody as
everything na suspect.
The day after her life.
Yeah.
If not be true that they tell, where boy go have here? Ere, onya wamebe, kunisane. Abo like better man, when mommy a character uja, ni ma help work over. Oh, me nuhia, no tia one be no ya, oh, mama play, so decide to wear one be no ya play because all Ramoni san all bag mo ya egbe. All bag mo ya egbe. But better man, o mama in winning manner. Of barely came in, he said to lose the underwear, he will open. Oh, man, Mukian, while even 1 year, he back with your toy.
Something there. What did she know? I mean, she just they talk like that. No, anything.
Yeah, I'm at the hospital. I'm here, doctor, no your book coming. You go on, as far my life, don't already there as biscuit. Now, where as far my life, don't already there. Anything I was no done. The doctor, yeah, where he left me. The doctor, yeah.
Hey.
Whatever. Why you people treating me? On a day, I share on a day. Me, I move that share. Why are you doing? Everybody may move, Yana. I go through pictures. I see they beautiful.
No, you they beautiful.
2 minutes ago, I did beautiful. Before I come out that week, me I buy for best you and I did beautiful. As it is, they start. He work a lot. And then the doctor he may work a lot.
You say na because of money. You sure? I'm not sure. I'm not sure say na because of money. I'm not sure. Hey. Oh, wow. A beautiful woman. More than the I will not see the my grandma. You have
I black in this one. Nita ma over here as a tick bear. Why, anytime? Maybe I need them. I have the wagging my yeah, deceive you where a black is so run already and walk by a girl, Tia Yaku, Ebo Mount. Ebon Mount, a marriage 18 years. Yana rabble, now your boy as a lewa. A bar, Ebo here to one word away, and walk Mickey. A man near me. One am with Tina, Ebo Namutina, what my fame.
She don't tire for the marriage.
Just
that. Something is wrong somewhere. And as she be so, the man not feel even leave her. You not go feel leave her. You understand? Because they don't know say something is wrong. If the man want leave her, all over, the man not go in foot or say he want leave her. Say so. He must day her life. Make she feel day okay small. Before they go, you know, if they want divorce, they feel divorce. But now that her picking, oh, they pay now. You understand? Because I believe say if you don't leave the man, they go. The inside has not day okay, my people. How you want a day okay? You as a woman, especially where be say the marriage don't even it don't tire you. It don't tire them. It's sure. It's sure.
Where I was your night. A night me I get night. Me na so am aware na. Fire go dey your house go carry other people the talk with.
Hey.
Me so me.
She needs help. Who will call help and let me do something? It needs somebody.
God the arrange this.
She say me go meet doctor now.
Wow, Salobo, Salobo arrange me.
I believe say this one I don't tell, not be something where just start now. Not be waiting start now.
Every time they bastard. Every time our wife here. The bad village people and bad black people. Viens au même boy ya here. Mais non là here. He just a low boy. That's a low boy ya we.
Depression is real.
I want to fuck why ya.
For real.
From nowhere. One of been an irrita. Yeah. Oh my God. I don't know that my where. When is it? Where? I'm going to be when is it? Oh, where again? I have a mistake in you make with me. God will bless you. Even here, Mamma, I'm not going to be any. I bet 10 men. Young where as you go, yeah, me no bro, yana one way, me here where my problem here. She said, you never do something for me. I mean, why would you? Why yet that way never do something for me? I go one Maria.
Yes, you see,
I go one Maria.
family still join.
It's just that make it lazy.
Deja.
Now why he can you?
Deja.
You know why can you go? No, where or for negative family.
Tuna see. Tuna the year. When I seen your sister late.
And I'm my mom, I don't know if you are why they are going to go to. Me not story me.
Deja.
Who are on with the girl now we escape the whole night. You may walk here, Tiki.
Wow.
When my own soul partner come see me as straight. And I say my life don't dare at risk for me. I want eat or carry food for fridge. I don't know what in they say. My husband tell me say, you get one fish when I like well. I like that fish. Now only the fish. If I just eat, I think eat like 4 of that fish. I just can't just eat and with bread. Just okay. And the fish they make me fresh. If I eat the fish continuously like a weekend, I will fine. My husband know this thing. My husband know this thing. My husband go carry. He can't tell me say the fish no good. Me I know they give my baby again. And that fish, all of us don't they eat the fish for long, and we like the fish.
We don't know whether that's true. Okay, no, no, say person will be say.
Now start to say not like the fish.
Not be everything where they talk the truth.
Like
Someday will be true.
They don't find out what I like pass. The other 3 days ago, I cooked the same fish. Fish when me go cook, it go day white. Now the tomatoes, I they use yellow tomatoes to cook. And now the tomatoes when I take cook, everything go day neat.
Okay. She can't imagine now say husband they put something for his
Everything go
hand.
day neat. I cook fish now, fish black. I throw in. And that day when that you go picking come here, I throw in. I say I think that because they use frappa, now it make the thing they go do the thing as if na my head not really correct. I would imagine say I been at my head not correct.
Oh, salon boy.
I been at their head not correct.
Yeah.
Today na show na say I still cook the same fish. It changed color from my hands. I say my pikin come on chop tomatoes and pasta. Now I make una sense. I open fridge. I dey throw away things. Now food don't be supposed to eat. When you did that fridge, now you did that. As that man not did this house, I know both it. I know both it. As in day now, if na my baby, now you no go make this matter come out. If it be say, if my husband or anybody fit kill me and my baby for this matter to be swept under the carpet, they go do one. Because they know see if they leave my baby they come back. If he get her up to here, if my husband get her up to here, say he don't see and say no way. If you carry me, can go carry my baby, can go kill 2 of us. Now they investigate. Now when me stay with for 18 years, nothing say na my man.
Oh, na
Nothing
here.
say na my man.
Oh, na here, okay? Oh, na here.
The one when you kill one of my sister in 2018, they still they investigate. But if na black dog, don't settle down to death.
She need help.
They still investigate.
Don't tell where she get this thing for inside her brain. According to her, they say she not talk.
No shit.
You not agree talk,
Don't
come
die,
out.
don't go.
You need to know.
Some people they with Oyibo for 100 years. They are still dumb. Mumu won't be like them. You know they exist. But you see me as they do the thing, that's why they learn now. Man, Ijime oh. Then Ijime now wuni. Even why have you muntani ro wa Ijime bizin why ya no. Yani where more.
Something there, huh? Something they have for
Okay.
people for it.
I know say I dey here demand my business. You say me I go meet doctor.
They tell me go see doctor.
Angel Diamond. You say me I go meet doctor. If na doctor problem, na Europe I deal. I no be those wey carry passport wey no know their left from their right.
You need to
No be
leave
to
the
carry
marriage.
passport o. Me, I never get paper for this country when I start to dey chook am for those wicked people. So if you say make I go meet doctor, so Oyibo when you leave me for house, they don't know say this one pass doctor hand.
Because you need to leave the marriage. Now be
People
done the
just
thing.
stay here, they just see normal energy, they talk. Now just come solo one for comment section.
What with the ladies? Yeah.
Doctors are my They join my
Purity
program.
they
I
follow.
don't know now. Yeah, go meet doctor.
Now
Which
Purity they
doctor
follow.
I want go meet?
Purity
Doctor, we
picture.
are not trust again.
Till now, yeah, not even trust
You know
doctor
me, I
again.
can't talk the only person when I still trust for this world. Ni ave kulwe yo mo boy tai. Imu elatia. Any one to ave papa te wa solo me. Make it te. Ekene etine ma wa to we. E blackie. Ave boni mani ro wa gin aluwa. Wa gin aluwa. Ave dosbin ro. Wa gin aluwa. Wa owe ma wa bazu. Ave papa's day.
Yes.
Because I have yan motivate and my living a been at it. Or see any your moon because you are meant to be a DPO member. You mean a DPO?
I don't know this woman's story. I don't know this woman's story. Whether if they take something or I don't know, okay? I don't know her story. Somebody just talk about the name. Now say me I go look war. So now I can see this video for there. It did like that time. So I said no, I'll go later because I don't know what they talk about. Wait till I hear for there. The time we call a husband, they tell and say wake up. They speak Italian language. Now say okay, this one Italian person marry 18 years now she don't stay for there. Okay. But whether she felt they take something or it can't stop, I don't know. Whether the something start now or it don't fair day, only God know. Because all these things will be say, hi, Saloboa. Every soon we work bon, something they go, something they happen. Again where I want to play for now, they come.
Yes, you only need to. I don't need
Whether I carry market or so, you know all these things. We don't know anything. We don't know anything.
We die here. Go ask people. Nobody feel hold me for hand. Take all my mama fights. Mama face this kind of battle almost with me. Only it resembles snow.
Husband house.
The family when my mama for married, they make life miserable for mama. Miserable. But I was there for my mom. If she did cry, I made her clean her tears. None of her child was there. None of my mama picking, they there for mama. Now let me win be with her. I did hear. The music don't declare me. When I don't see the way the music they come now. Say na yesterday here they talk to now.
You get where for calling husband.
Now that's on our channel, so whether I decrease or not decrease no more. Right here, to family, que you so not depressed. But my
tu na here they come. They come.
No, they go.
Okay. From here, you want call the husband. Mama, when I saw her on Lola wedding. Okay, she there for Lola wedding.
pronto.
She there for Lola wedding. I knew there is something. Okay, go for Lola wedding. Because somebody they talking for here saying Lola support her. That is Iran come out. Then we listen the time where he call the husband.
Pronto. Neanche che fai? Bimba che mangi? No, sì, c'è alcune cose. Io ho cucinato pesce. Pesce ha cambiato colore perché? Se si
Jesus. Hey, now wow. She needs help well. He called the husband, okay? He said waiting the baby girl go eat. No? Say she cook fish. So the fish can't change color. Maybe if it be say it burn because hi, but anyway, now so it be this brain, it just pray may it dey okay. If your brain not con dey okay, you can't do something one kind. It's like those people where be say then get what they call am assignment, something like that. Where be say even though na your if na you know can't know you go call you another person, you know, all these things, all this our brain and the machine where they carry our body, they go. If you don't, they misbehave one kind. If you know your body, you are on your own before you know it. If the brain don't they get as it be, the rest body, you can't they do one kind where you know now be like say head not correct, you know, now the brain. He call his husband, as far as say her daughter day house, how his husband go come put something for inside the food, This kind of thing where she dey talk. So when somebody don't call me like that, they explain to me, depression is real. Depression is real. This one, called me. They tell me wetin happen. Person wey be say dem collect 3 pikin for a hand. 3, not be 1. How you want make that brain be? Even the way they talk self, I was like, now once I just know say something is wrong. When they talk to me, something is wrong. He say na so they'll come. They'll put something for inside food. They think, oh, I was like, oh, salobua. Some people need help. Well. Some people need help. Like she now the marriage not dey okay. It not dey again. She not dey there again. But she must stay there because of that daughter. Because she no want go without not carry a pikin. And the husband is not ready to give her to carry the pikin. You just say maybe she leave the marriage now. Everything go like come the day okay small. You no want stay again. Something is wrong somewhere. I greet you. Say put something. Say the fish come.
Sei sicuro che tu non hai messo qualcosa dentro?
Buonasera,
Quello là palazza. Un'altra cosa. Perché io ti ho detto di lasciare la tua macchina, poi tu hai detto, tu hai preso, perché?
Perché arrivare, ma a parte da lasciare la macchina amici,
Sì?
poi alla metà,
Ok.
magari se io torno a casa, io già mi chiamo a casa e mi la lascio.
Però,
Veramente, mi trovi?
sì.
They speak Italian language, okay? Now Napoli, they speak. When they speak their Napoli, it get as they tell they do one. Some women also. Yes, so Sunday, not be lying, Sunday when they pregnant, depression they go come. Sunday after when they don't born. It depends. All the now stress they cause some. Many people they pass through this depression of it thing. If you just get belly, problem will just come. You know, say all this depends on the way where you be. Not be everybody strong, depends of what you they pass through. Some people they waiting if they pass through, if they cause some. Some people they depends of the area where they you see they cause some. Many things they cause all this depression. Now just Baba God, now they just they pray to say Baba can help us. Some people they not feel stay for they not feel stay for city. You understand? Sunday they not feel go is they don't feel go safe for where not be city. They go the thing goes like how they say talking. Oh, that is the thing go they do one kind. It don't they give you sign. Don't they give you sign? Don't they give you sign? Your husband know what they worry this woman. Not be saying no. But it's like maybe go they okay now. Purity and now you both they take the thing. That thing. If it be, I don't talk at just now. Because now Napoli, now then they speak the language. You understand? Then they speak the language. I don't even know say they long or marriage that time. Maybe it never be like this. I don't know. Because I know they not be say I go the look who they who not they. You know? Hey, now wow, the thing just get as it be, Where would they listen? They go. I pity her. She need help, big one. Wanna help me share the video?
Perché non prova un'altra cosa invece di uccidermi dentro macchina?
Jesus.
Se prova un'altra maniera.
No, dico, io mi devo prendere la macchina lì. Ma a sera mangiamo sempre in tuo garage. E io roba come me la va a cagare?
A me non mi interessa. Come cambia?
Adesso mangia a me, lo passo qua.
She the feel say the man want buy her. Okay? Because now remember say she talk say her husband car, she want use her husband car. So the you there for garage. So your husband carry your car. You know say when you get your own car, You know they expect say may your husband carry your old, then he go call, you understand, something like that. The way she was, no, because of picture. Because of the picture. Hi. He said, why you want buy me? Why you want use car? You want take by me? Because for our own mind now, the man want buy ya, with her whole car. You understand? So she dey fear now to touch her whole car. She want me she dey use the husband. Oh. He said, may your husband use another system to buy her. Hey, salon bois, why na? Yo, na washa.
Adesso io voglio dirti che voi non può uccidermi dentro la macchina come allora. Sì. Aspetta.
Grazie a Dio di una macchina di un garage a 100 metri. Già fa. Ok, aspetta.
Tua mamma è qui, è la regina Elisabetta, io sono Diana, io non muore.
Morisci.
Capito? Non muore. Siamo qua. Tua mamma è la regina, io sono Diana, tua mamma la regina Elisabetta. Eccomi, vampiro. Eccomi, voi mi uccidere dentro macchina. Sì, quello zingari che mi è caduto addosso. Dove tu hai trovato quella macchina che mi è venuta addosso?
Hey, Jesus. She needs help where. And the man even know say needs help. You understand? She needs to and talk to. Yeah, you know, say now that one cause social media not go help her, but maybe go see help her for somewhere just to the talk finish now need there. And some people will they will be say go in comment section, go they insult her, you know, go they tell her different thing, and that thing go they provoke her, it go they worst her case. What if she really needs? She needs help. She need to leave that marriage. It's like waiting there with the call and suffocate, you know, something where they I don't need die again, but you go still there. So all the hey Jesus. Hey, something is wrong somewhere. I just pity her for real. I pity her well. The thing just really when I just now here now for meet her when she dey talk. The thing just like, oh my God, where did they go on? This woman needs help. Mama not the papa not the because still lost his senior sister.
Well,
you know one day into that. No one day into that marriage again.
E come mai voi mi uccidere dentro macchina? Avete preso
because the man say he use the car to get accident. You understand? Say even she couldn't talk and say he get one zingiri. That is all these people where would they call them zingiri? Where be saying that is I use the car to hit her. Maybe person like her will be like this now. Normally they know they like to they give them car, okay? Because of he brain if you just get us be if you tell her say do one like this, hey, do one like this, not do one like this. Something if it happen. You understand? Yo, salon boy, you need help.
E rivale sarebbe Diana. E sono pericoloso grazie a te.
Because you see, you say that is you day, what else they call? You day, yes, you day dangerous to drive car, periculous, you know, to drive car, you know. Me like say don't get two accident now she don't get. So you no feel no say I talk you no feel drive, they no feel leave and make carry car, go the walk up and down. Even though say she feel say she dey okay. If you get that moment where her brain go they tell and say, okay, just turn your car, go this side. Okay, go this side. Something like that. If it they happen, because he brain no con dey okay. Unless say she go treat herself, she go dey take the medicine, go dey take many things to resolve the problem.
Così avete fatto, perché voi voglio dire che io non sto bene con la testa. Lo sanno, gente. Continua.
Non so che non sta bene.
Sì. Io. Grazie a te. Grazie a te e tua famiglia.
You understand? He say if she not dey okay, he say thanks to your family, you and your family. Meaning she no want that family again. Hey. Now it cause all this problem. You understand? The family, the girl no one dey again. But she no one live without her old daughter not follow her. And the family no one give her old daughter. Hey. Hey, Jesus is Lord. Now wow.
Depressor. Why my name? You why man now? Ave black Alessa, unica cosa che io voglio fare è che anche tomba di tua mamma deve andare più giorno.
Don't draw the phone.
Perché siete cattivi. Iniziamo da là. Why my name? Oh, well, not to just play. Also, usually, when you see anybody when they talk like this, I see that they caution. That's what I did before. And now I did get myself now before I not be talk again. Because the thing is just too much. You see as they talk like you know say hand on
because the man not saying no.
Yeah, I have people. Their face go the red, or their hair go the red. For another person matter. Or it's sorry me be here be night. When we move me, na ba we lo only ati a we lo na ati. Now that one now know so whether the grace appear not the grace no more. Yeah, you worry me now. You worry ego. You worry no more. Yeah, you worry me now. You worry ego. Yeah, you do it on money. You because you can add see with you. You only see me you make me. Ata mi wa we no se me you me go ma ya me ne wa mi no je o like be ni ni e ko je no se me you me be ya ne o mwa ma mi wa si no fiame ere ma fiame me
You're not baby joke back boy. Hello boy. Hey. Jesus. Now wow, my people. And our daughter did them.
Everybody, this thing. You asked me to identify for this bag. Oh God.
Not they find anything for the bag. You just carry. Nothing when she find for them. Wow. My people, depression is real. Depression is real. Depression is real.
Anything you do when you pass, be careful. Now madness. If I no, so depression to the work. I see the way I didn't have that business. Now my madness just started.
Carry head face. You see?
If you just carry head face, another thing now, just the person. That one a madness we touch. One of that guy. I go mind my business. If you know, I'm waiting on person. Now they talk. If you feel rich feet.
Why my people? Depression is real. You fine. You fine.
I know I don't come this way. They ring for my hand. Because anytime
you fine, but you need help.
Said in
Big one.
so that I'll get myself back so that word will come from my man will be correct.
Get the one way. Yes, so. No, I know who. Because it's like, you know, so when you tell them, say, you need, that is, they need help, they need doctor, they need this one, then go they think, say, maybe you as I talk, that's we are making joys of them, they make them, I don't know as I talk, my people, and really, they need help, because if you not go, they treat them, even social media, it not go help you, for real. But she need to leave that marriage. She don't need that again. Because according to what she talk, even go reach her socks, then they iron her. Even go reach pants where they wear, then they iron her. Even a bacon, tia wak be ya. Problem, many. See the one where the time where I go at war, no? I can't see this video, me I show now. The time where I go at war, I can't see this the video where be say he can't they cry. I was like, some people some people they really need help. Big one, not be small one. They need that. I'm not gonna put a volume because music there for them. This video. This video, see, this video now 7 minutes. The time when I go there, I can't look for say, if they do na person where they do na presenter waiting be a Facebook na Purity Sax, Purity Peter, na be a ne Purity, na Purity Peter na be a ne. So she can't there because music there for say make I play am for now. Because if I play am for here, now go be copyright. Come there, this video now 7 minutes. Now the video there. You can't dey cry for there. Now that because when I want to go watch the video, I can't dey see say it get daughter for there. No easy, sha. And she's slim well. Say not be so she be before. You say just be like say one go bath or be something like that. You just wake up or you just sit down, come they cry. Because I can say me I play this thing, but the music where they, I believe say come they call her daughter for here. They call her daughter, may come give her water. And therefore she say, okay, get daughter. Big girl, see her for there. A fine lady, even though say she's slim, she's still fine. Not see her daughter. So this video na short video. Her daughter did there. Then her daughter can't tell her and say, may stop the live video. Okay, you can't really stop her. May she not go the take off. I pray. I just pray because she really needs help. She no one day there again. She no one day there. It's like when you need your freedom. You understand that freedom they not fit give you. The many things go come they happen to you. According to her, she not get mama. She lost her senior sister. Me like say now when she lost her senior sister, now the thing can't get her CB. You know say if you get somebody where be say you with her, you they tell her many things of your life. You know, So if that person can't be say you not come dey again, and you now you dey inside problem, it go be like say then they talk say, oh well, they go say Ekadu to mondo adoso, you know, it's like heaven fall. You understand? Something like that. So she need help. She need to leave the marriage first. Even though say then they give her mercy and it's still there inside that marriage, you know they work. You know go work. And the man no will give her a daughter. She want me a daughter follow her. Then be the something. And he no go give her because now still on that age. And they'll come say, see the condition where she did. She not fit take care of that girl. She dey do one kind, her head not come correct again. Hey, my people, depression is real. Anybody, if you get problem, this depression of a something, nobody not get out. It's just that it get the way it say dey, you know. Small something dey wey be say you go fit take am, another person no fit take am. It's like this when they go they cause people, but they go they bully somebody for social media. Some people dey wey go fit take am, so no fit take am, no fit resist am. The thing e brain go burst. Now make am, if they see people wey be say they do anyhow, they like so. Abeg may I comot for them. Everybody not be the same because you don't know wetin they pass through for inside house also. You don't know. Like this one, now inside house not good. Inside house not good at all. If they talk for them, his mother-in-law, his husband, you know. Did you think? Of course, small na so na. According to where be say, she thought say her senior sister. Maybe now that one I be the be a second God. You understand? As far as say mama not there, and inside the marriage, fire there inside. So maybe at that assistant and they give her, go they encourage her, go they tell her many things. The thing go they get as it be, go say I don't tire, no fit again. Go say no, wait first. Just wait moment your pikin reach 18 years, you know, something like that, so that you feel move out. Your daughter feel talk, you go feel talk say I want stay here, I don't want stay here, something like that. But when that one go come late now, everything will come just bafuka. The thing go come worse again. You know, can't get that person where be say, I want go to talk to, I want me I tell this one, this thing, that one. She don't they suspect the husband say they put something for inside food. Because now the brain and the cause I so much believe say the man not they do something like that. As far as say he don't get that hate towards the husband. So anything I go they think say now the man want one. So you know, she say it just now say Mona find another road when I want to take by her. Because the car not go work because she don't get that something. Hey, salobua kondo do akbama baba. Just a pray. If you're not strong for your side brain, if it happen to anybody, and I make I no good, make person they laugh somebody. All those people will be say they get problem. If it happen at any time, it's just like all these people will be say they don't hold small, they'll constantly get problem for your side brain. If you see picking, you go they call her his sister. If you see your wife, you go they call her, you know, they'll assign or something like that. That's what it still be. Your brain not on the walk well, but it still get medicine where be say you they take all these things. Then if you not worst, good and fine. But if you don't worst, now make them talk say go and take medicine, go and take something, go meet doctor because they need to give you what you go they no make the brain for day okay because the brain don't shake. You know, it's like when you carry this as a no lugu, and the brain don't lugu. So they need to with medicine to take and come back again. But now small. Hey, salon boy. You know easy, my people. And those people, they're very hard to make friends with. You know if you make friends with them, they're very, very hard. Unless you go be like them. How you want to be like them, you know? Now make people they say go and meet doctor. Because if they call you, the way they want to they talk to you for phone. I say one way he called me when they talk. I was like, oh my God, this one is not okay. Me go along, no one make me come even come depressed. You understand? Come they tell you waiting because you know say not they okay. Or waiting you fit tell and say try to see doctor. Try to see doctor. You know? But sometimes when they even they tell they say try to see doctor. If you use a account, they curse you, take go another thing because no be she there. They talk to you. Your brain they go another place. You know, see say even when husband tell say now 2 times you don't use car to get accident because you say periculous. You know, that is you know fit drive. The waiting you supposed to do now to they take bus anywhere where they go. Even the bus said sometimes if you still take her, you go forget the street where they go. You know, because the brain don't. Now make this brain now machine. Now the brain now they carry us waka up and down. Now make they feel operate somebody say okay, maybe get problem with heart, they will remove her. Okay, brain, I might hear meeting tomorrow. It's something touch on for them. And they want no. Hey, oh, wow, my people make I live now. I just see the video. I was like, I don't know whether I get family for abroad for a year. I don't know. As I just see me, I know if you can't carry me, I can't do something. Oh no, it's bad. What we feel they do, they pray for her, try to encourage her. Don't worry, everything will do okay, but try to go see doctor, small, make something for they okay. Now bye my people. God bless you for being here. I really appreciate you now well. I beg if anybody see a video, wanna not call son, okay? Wanna not go there. If you don't want even watch, if you don't want even write something, if you write something where be say you go come insult you. You don't need say you go even go back, go insult and back. On the right time, you will head not correct, you will don't demand. No, it they provoke and more. Or you feel just they watch and not write only comment or they tell and say you are beautiful. They need something like that where go they, you know, would they make them happy. You are don't worry, everything they okay. You fine, you do this one. Ay Jesus. So now be that one, my people. Hey, thank you, Iberi. God bless you. God bless you. Thank you for this. I really appreciate. Okay, I appreciate you now. Well. Now do well, my people. So that's why I see her because person like me, I know come the insult her. No, it's not called for. Not be person will be like me where I know say he head they okay. I know say she's not normal. Even she even they suspect her husband where be say she born for. He stay for 18 years. If they suspect and say they put something for inside their food. And on that thing then be the first thing where they suspect. Then they suspect person where be say he try to help her. You understand? Then they suspect that person. Okay, now you want by me so. Hey. What is the man go even they pass through for his house? Only God now know. Only God now know. Now see the way we take all that, they tell us say, Mona find another way to take by me. The car, oh, now not go succeed. Hey! And wow, marriage not be do or die anyway. If you are not okay there, and you be like say your brain don't they get as it be, try to move out. Maybe if she move out now, everything will do okay. Like a daughter don't see big small. A daughter feel say okay, today I'll come your house, next tomorrow, you know, something like that. But it be like say I believe say she want me a daughter follow her. You go come they stay with her. But they not give. Nobody will give her. Even our own daughter say you know like to stay there because you know say mama no dey okay. Even the cause the video just now no one play and finish because it's long where she just did there. They talk many things for there. Many things where she they talk for there. So what is the name? I can they play all the video. Hi, now wow my people. Ebere, thank you. I appreciate that stuff for it. Now do well my people. God bless you for being here. Mona not bullying, mona not cursing. I know say some of our people their head not correct. They must go there go insult her. It's not called for. If na your sister uncle, mona they give her something way sweet. They tell her something way sweet. If they see that one, maybe you go they okay. If you now go there, go they call and say you get mental issue, you get mental problem, your head not correct. This one, that one. Una the worst thing is something. It's like when person gets soft for body now. You go there, go the pinch her. Go the pincher. Area. So what is the name? My sister, not worry. We there here with you. You know? Something like that. Your brain go they calm down. I know say social media, cannot J, but if she feel like to talk, it's still good also. But make she go they take something. When go see the help and that one go help and well. So my people, God bless you. I appreciate you. Now may I go finish what I want to do. I want to go do my ginger. I want to go do ginger. e no easy oh my people, not be only people wey marry Igbo dey depressed, so even some people wey dey wey go still marry black, they still dey depressed. Depression dey for everybody body. It's just that depends of your inside your machine, your aging. Our neru ne knock. You know, say like a car now. If you get car, now the body, not be the body oh. Now the engine where they carry the car, if you knock, the body not come out now. That's how our body still be. Good night, everybody. Good night, Ebere. God bless you. Bye for now. See you tomorrow.